country people, how una dey? Make una welcome to another exciting edition of As E Be on top our one and only ogbonge station, the Media House, Africa's premier online business and lifestyle high-rate station. And I may be your top target, Cable. As we dey do am before, you know, so we know they fall your hand, we know they door you on top this program. And today we get another interesting topic where we so want to talk about side chick. Yes, na side chick we wan talk about today. Abeg, no move, comot go anywhere, sit down to that for ground. We'll grab some more break. When we come back, we will continue. Welcome back. Like I talked before, today we want to talk about side chick. Now, who be side chick? Now, side chick na that woman when be say man dey date you, but that man when dey date you, he get your own wife for house, or he get your own main chick, your own girlfriend when be say everybody know. But you as a child side chick, nobody know you. Now only you and the man know yourself, and everything they do am for secrecy. You know they open. You don't feel go among your friends and your family say you be in chick. No, nobody know you. Nobody, even if they know you, they don't recognize you. They don't accept you. Down you go no say you waiting. You be side chick. And this thing today for our society, it dey very common. Side chick every. In fact, they brag these days to say they be side chick. Some of them they even go as far as to go fight the wife for house or to fight the main girlfriend, and that one don't make sense at all. You be side chick when we say you be thief. That's how I see you. You know say this thing don't belong to you, but you won't collect am fully knowing fully well say this thing not be your own and you go forever feed you. So you dey try to do everything to make sure say you collect am from another person hand. And not forget say you when you say you collect small pikin thing, hang am for one day hand go tire you, go drop am for ground. And so it be. You know today so many side chicks don lost their life on top say they say na quick money, na quick way to take make money. You understand? For instance, all these prostitutes will get every, most of them are side chick. Sometimes this man will come sleep with you, give you money, yes, they'll give you huge money, but you will forget say behind that huge money when they give you, they don't collect your destiny. You dey hear story of girls when you say after they sleep with them finish, you know, some of them as they reach us, their life change. Some they will talk say get some who dey hear say snake go come outside from the girl body, she no fit talk who do am, na there she die go. Different stories. So you go see them by the roadside, their eyes dem comot am, or their nose, or different parts of their body. So many people life don lost, or so many girls their life don useless because of this side chick of a thing. So we wan look today why be say even you as a girl, why be say e no make sense say make you be side chick, you know, or as a man why e no good make e be say you get side chick. Now one of them be say as a side chick you be that dirty little secret wey the man get, you know. Now for secrecy una dey own a meeting, now for dark places, you know, they come, nobody, you know, no family know you, no friends know you, you just on your own. Now when oga need you, go let you know, so okay babe, how far, come, oh I need you. You no go even fit come out for public because you don't want people call you names like sluts, war, prostitute. So you dey hide, only you and your oga know yourself. And even you as oga when you say you leave your wife and children for house, you know, say you won't go follow side chick. Now there's this popular saying say every woman na woman. There's some guy go tell you say they don't feel the chop okra soup every day. Say today they don't tire to chop okra soup, they don't go chop egusi soup. I want eat ogbono soup tomorrow, the next day banga soup. Say they want to change soup. But you forget saying yourself you do. You forget say STD day outside there. You know they show for face. Now your life is in danger. And the life of your wife and your children. Say you can't get STD now, you cannot give your wife. Well, let's say for instance you get HIV/AIDS, you cannot give your wife. Your wife, you die. Your wife die. Don't be your children you put for suffer, big suffer. So it don't make sense. And sometimes you man wey dey waka. Sometimes if you go waka go meet one babe, according to me, I not believe in that juju thing because say you can't, the lady can't use juju on you. As the lady use juju on you, finish. Your brain can't turn. You forget your wife. You forget your children. You forget that your main chick when you say she did it for you when you be nothing. She stood for you. You forget her. Come dey follow the side chick. Now the side chick you gotta give everything wey you get. Now you give your money, everything. You no dey even care about whether your children dey chop or they need to pay school fees. You understand? Now after everything, your eye come clear. You gotta see normal. You can't remember say you get children. You can't remember say you get wife for house. Now this your wife when you leave, he don come take her own struggle come make sure say dis children dey standard dey gallant for society. Then you come carry your 2 left leg come dey waka dey come say make dem forgive you. How now? Who send you before make you go waka you hear waka when be say dey take you juju hold you? Now dis children dey not foolish, they get sense. Now the children come tell you say they no go accept you, say because the only person wey dey know na their mama, and you no go blame them. See na their mama wey suffer for them, na im dey know. Now make I tell una this story of this man. No, this man he be get money well, work for oil company. No, the thing got dey shack am for body. You know they say you go only know the true character of a man when he get money, not when he poor. No talk say poor man dey humble. Na lie. Wait first. Say he's very humble, he's very faithful. No, wait. Till that man get money, you can't know whether he dey humble or he dey faithful. Now as this man can't get money scatter, and that cannot say wife no find rich and begin so that side chick. That's why you go waka enter the wrong one. Wey say they can't use. I don't know whether na jazz the table and the whole am, but he shall forget him wife and the children. When the thing clear for her, he can't come back. By that time the children don't grow, they don't do on their own. Everybody don't live like this. The children say they don't feel accept am. See when they need am as papa, he don't come. He don't stand for. So wetin go come make them like come talk say they won't come accept am as their papa. They don't accept am o. The man sef not, the man not get anything as me and you say, as me and you. He not get income, he not get. In fact, one naira not come in pocket. And the children they dey very successful. Some dey into modeling, some are doctors, lawyers, just like that. They are successful. As when I say successful, the children they successful, but they abandon their papa. People don't beg that, they say lie. The only time when you say the children they remember their papa now when they won't marry. As in, not even beg self, like people beg, then I made them every agree they use the papa as papa or dad of them. So after that wedding, they just want to be sorry. As in our neighbor, I see and where. After that wedding day, the children don't go. They don't waka. Even recently, the man sick for hospital bed. Slum, he won't die. They call the children, they no gree come. Say if one die, may die. They tell the doctor, say, because nobody gree go, no family gree go. So in night, the doctor called us, okay, give us number more call. They can't call the children. The children tell the doctor, say, they don't get any business with them. When he die, make the doctor call them, they go come give am befitting burial. Say the only thing where they hold lamb for this life na burial. As in they will give am state burial, being a federal burial. I don't know. Imagine that kind of life. Now the man supposed to enjoy, not supposed to be suffer. But being say when he dey young, he not live in life where he follow side chick go. Now side chick don't go. Now they now they suffer am. The children then they play with their mama, they take of their mama well. But by their papa matter, they no want even hear am. Not even go talk about their papa matter near them. Now, me I don't blame the children because they know wetin they pass through. You know, it dey painful say you get papa where you get money, you can't suffer. It dey painful. Then you come for your own struggle. You can't say you won't go chop for where you not work. It's not possible now. So the man did the night dey suffer. Time when you say go to enjoy, you no come enjoy. You can't suffer. Then na one of the reasons why we say make you dey contented with wetin you get. Deal with your wife and children. Train them and them be your future. If it's better for them tomorrow, you too you go enjoy. And you as a man, you get one serious girlfriend. You say you and I don't date, because say you see one side chick. And not wetin you see for the side, you can't abandon her. Don't forget, say karma is a bitch. It will definitely come back to you. Then another one be say you have to deal with stigma as side chick. Stigma day, you know if you come out in the open, you go dey hide because when you come outside, people go dey call you plenty names, whore, slut. Like the people go dey use you dey gossip. You know when you dey waka, people dey gossip about you because they see am for the eye say they do just a whisper, and you know something about it dey pain. You know make sense. And even you as a man, say you abandon your wife and children, follow side chick, you don't get respect again for society. That's just the truth. People no go to respect you again. They say no mind is a year man, and so you abandon your wife and children, follow one to see like that go. People know they take you serious and it don't make sense. It not good for your image, your personality. It don't make sense. So make you dey contented with wetin you get. Now another one be say as a side chick, you no be priority at all. Forget any way like me you do am. You no be priority. Because make I simple to give una this story. You don't mind say get side chick, he build house for the side chick. He no get house, he no get house, but he build house for side chick. And so he can't do, he no even train any of the children, nothing. And so the man can't sick, the man can't die. So the wife called a cry, say, I also have finished for this man. So everybody confused say na the side chick na go collect the whole property because the man die as deputy inspector of police. So in position they rank where. So now so the family come waka go tell the police, abeg, see, Now this one I be the wife and the children. If that side chick come, make dem no give the side chick anything. The police people come, the off where the man dey work, say they don't hear, say they go do as they talk. Only for them to go bring the man will to the glory of God. The man will everything give him first son. Everything. People say, so this man gets sense. Now the side chick don already dey come drop property. So when we come outside, they come find and say the man no will anything give the side chick. So you no be priority. So it no make sense. Although yes, the man build house for her, but the fact say she no be priority still dey there. And we go back small break from here. And not go anywhere. When we come back, we will still talk more on why no go tell me the side chick. Welcome back. Yes, another one want talk about say if you be side chick, you have to play the waiting game. Yes, you have to wait until oga or bros give you signals. Okay, guy, if you come home, go to some place, go meet in the next 20 minutes. Everything dey time zone. You no be like say the guy na your boyfriend or your husband when you say you get access to am whenever you get am. But because say na under secret you dey do the thing, so na time na when oga or bros need you, na you dey come. And even when you come, everything dey time zone. Maybe 1 hour or highest 2 hours, everybody don waka, you don delete go, and God come punish you. Come be say in the process you come genuinely fall in love with process. You know say men their brain smart pass women own. The man no say he no get wetin he wan use you do, he know wetin dey gain from you, so he no go fit talk say he fall in love with you, so na you go dey suffer am. So why you yourself go come go belittle yourself? I mean, I come further say one of the reasons why I say people dey accept to be side chick be say when you no get this self-confidence, you feel say you no dey good enough to be somebody's wife or somebody's main girlfriend. That go make you go accept say you be side chick. My sister, listen to me and listen very well. You are beautifully and wonderfully made. As in, there is no you like you. You are uniquely you. So no look down on yourself. Say you wan go be some people go say the money. Which money? Wetin do your hand and your leg? Great things start small. You whatever anything wey you say, they just start am. Gradually as time dey go, you go see say you go better. There's nothing like making your own money when you say you look back tomorrow, say that you be self-made, as in not be say man money na make you be wetin you be. The self-respect, even you self, the self, I want to put this English now. So you yourself, you go dey happy with yourself because you dey self-contented, you dey self-pride, you get this self-love. And seriously, for you to accept say you be side chick, you say you not get self-love. You don't love yourself at all. If you love yourself and you get this self-esteem, nothing will make pretty girl like you come talk say you won't go be somebody's side chick. It don't make sense. You go dey play waiting game. Now when oga or bros want you, now they'll contact you. And most times when you even need to talk to this bros or this oga, you no go fit because you know say by 6 p.m. oga don dey house with your wife and family. So you no wan go cause problem because he don't want you say from so time to so time, no call me, no send me text message. So you yourself, you no go fit call, you no go fit send text message that period. It makes sense. It don't make sense like that. And again, expiring date dey. Anything wey get beginning, e get ending. Nothing lasts forever, whether good or bad. You know guy you wan do am reach. You know guy you wan play the game reach. You know guy you wan do the thing reach. One day e go come to an end. No, this one just be like marketplace. The money everybody will carry their car here, everybody some go buy, some go sell, you know, just like that. But when night come, everybody go begin waka, they go where they come from. Both those wey come buy and those wey come sell, because they don't finish with their business for that day. So anything, just to put am for the back of your mind, say anything wey get beginning, it get ending. E no go last forever. You know, guy, whether you use juju, anything we like, we use. One day, that man, you go remember your wife and the children, and he must go back because now there now belong to you. You be stranger. You understand? You be strange woman when you come into your life and come destroy am. I don't know if you understand. You get where you take package yourself very well. Now when you be say package yourself, may say you look responsible. Sometimes now even some of these ladies now they make una self to be used as side chick because the way you dress is the way you be addressed. Sometimes the way you even dress self is uncalled for. I don't talk say you don't get the right to dress. Yes, you get the right to dress the way you dress, but make you dress the way you say you want make person to address you. It is very important. And make you place yourself so high. Work hard. Look for a legitimate job, a responsible job, handwork. Even if you don't go school, that will be you learn how to. There plenty. You feel learn hairdressing. shoemaking, plenty things dey when e be say if you do when be say e go fetch you money and e go fetch you self-respect. You understand? Na so e just be. So e no make sense say you just sit down say, and you as a man, you leave your wife and your children, carry your 2 left leg waka go say your wife is dirty, your wife is this. When you marry that woman, why you no talk say dirty? Na so the woman be. Even if she can't change, say you no like the way she dey talk to am, advise am. If you want, say you know say you like trouser, or you like heel, or you like those short things, buy am for am. Make she look the way be say you want. No be say you just talk say every time she be tying wrapper. What is that one now? If you no like the wrapper madam dey tie for chest, abeg you too go out, buy those clothes wey be say you dey like, buy and give am. Make you come be say madam, and you too madam, no talk say I don marry, it has ended, prayer point ended. No, you still need to keep looking good for him, like you don't have a choice. So that you know, but yes, I still know say you no get how you do and reach. If you like me to clean or fine or do everything back, a cheating man will always cheat. That is just the truth. A man that will cheat on you will cheat on you, but at least you too still try to do your best. And as a married woman, no go dey fight side chick outside. You don't make sense. You dey fold your hand. You are disgracing yourself. You are disgracing your ministry. You don't have to fight. Ask yourself some salient questions, very important questions like, wetin make this man leave me dey pursue this side chick? You know, wetin I do and wetin I no do well. Then na question wey you suppose ask yourself. And when you ask yourself these questions, make changes where necessary. Even if na to sit down and call am together or tell am say oga mo we talk. Wetin be the problem? You yourself, you sit down, both of una talk and una settle the issue. But no say you wan go public go dey fight, as in kai, irritating and annoying. E no make sense at all. You are disgracing yourself, you are disgracing your children, as in the same people wey go cheer you, hey madam una dey go still go back go laugh, you go this, say no man na useless woman, na so she dey fight. How many you wan fight if you wan start to dey fight? So the best thing is na for you to sit down, ask yourself questions. Wetin be that thing wey be say you dey do before wey you know una wetin your husband see for that babe body wey make am dey run, dey go find out. Now let me tell you one very important story. When this one na for TV, I take hear am. When the lady dey, she's a counselor, but she come see, she say so many people feel say she get perfect marriage, but the truth be say her marriage is not perfect. Now time come when e be say she face temptation for her marriage. Now how she take solve this problem? This time around, they talk to her married women. Now she notice say her husband character come change, the man come dey come back late, you know, the man dey always go out. She come do her own investigation, come find out say na because of one babe na make the woman character change towards am. You know wetin this woman do? She come make friends with the girl side chick. She follow her make friend. So now when she go back, she go dey complain about her husband. The side chick go come dey tell her say the man when I dey date na married man, but the man, the problem say the man like your wife. No be say the man no like your wife, he like am, but the wife too dey dress like old woman. The man likes dancing, he likes clubbing and drinking, when e be say the wife no like. So he dey give the man wetin be say the wife no fit give am, na make the man dey follow am. So from there the wife come dey get more information. You know wetin the woman come ask the side chick, okay, which kind drink your man dey like? Do the child chick no know say na the man wey dey date na wife be this? So this woman make sure say he win the heart of this side chick, so the side chick come trust her well. So anything wey the side chick tell her say na wetin the man like, she go go house go do that thing. She begin dey cook the kind pepper soup wey say the man dey like to take. The drinks they always say the man dey go out to go do, she go buy and dey keep for fridge. So when the man wan comot, she honey, are you going out? I've already prepared a very wonderful pepper soup for you with catfish pepper soup. She go tell us, the drinks are chilled. No, the man no go come fit go out again. The man go sit down. After the man is finished, the man come call the side say, I cannot come again. No. Let's meet some other time. And that some other time never come. So this side she gonna go complain, give madam say, I know wetin that happen. My baba no dey come again. In fact, the number of times, every time na so excuse. I no understand wetin dey happen. So side she come tell madam say, me, I wan go that house. I wan go tell the madam say I get belle, so that problem go come for the marriage. He go get the man back. You know say na the woman wey you wan go cause kasala for marriage, na the woman you dey talk to. Now on that very fateful day, side she come waka enter the house. As she enter the house, she come see her friend. Who catch her? As in ghost bombs enter her body. Now she go ask woman say, wetin you dey do for you? The woman ask her, you wetin you dey do for my house? Now the man say this is my husband and this is my house, and that was the end. Na so the woman take her husband back. Now she no go dey fight the side chick for street, they cause problems, come become nuisance, but she no do am. She use sense, she was diplomatic. That is the way. So to my women out there, not make sense say go fight. And to you man out there, abeg put your body for one ground. And if you dey waka people, no forget say STD dey and e no dey show for face. And na here we go take end am today. Na here we go take wrap up our program from As E Be, your number one favorite program on top your own station, the Media House, Africa's premier online business and lifestyle hybrid station. Abeg no forget to comment on top our social media. You fit join us on Facebook page at the Media House NG, Twitter and Instagram at the Media House NG, and don't forget to visit our blog www.mediahouse.com.ng.